Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start inside OneNote with the pages ready to go. Select the page, section, or entire notebook you want to convert. This choice controls file scope and size. Once done, pick a clear destination folder so you don't lose the export. Make sure synced changes are saved. Synchronization ensures newest edits appear in the PDF. If images or embedded files exist, note they may affect layout. Now move to the export or print step to create the PDF file. You'll now choose export or print to convert to PDF. Different OneNote versions label it differently. Select PDF format and then configure page size, orientation, and output quality. Higher DPI yields clearer images but larger files. Use Print Preview to check margins, scaling, and page breaks so content doesn't get cut off. Once satisfied, click Export or Print to PDF. Save with a descriptive file name. If combining multiple sections, repeat and merge, or use the notebook-level export to keep order intact. Open the PDF to confirm every page, image, and link looks right. This verification step prevents surprises. If content is missing or layout is wrong, export by smaller units, sections, or single pages, and then merge them with a PDF utility to preserve ordering. If the PDF is corrupted or the export fails, make sure OneNote is updated, restart the app or device, and check virtual PDF printer drivers. One key tip: export smaller batches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.